Hi friends, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world, my friends. How is your day going? How's the lockdown in your country? Everything is fine. And I'm coming back with a new video on the love. Today's topic of this love is like a time-changing love. Now you will think, what is the meaning of the time-changing love? Time-changing love means what? People, when they fall in a love, on that time they look some handsome, they look some rich, they some like they have like feelings and all. But after that, in a bad luck of the life, sometime in the time change, in the middle part of the relationship, it causes like means sometime if you see the rich people and they have like you fall in love and you try to go to relationship and you making their own, and business was going loss and he become like from rich to poor, then what you will do on that time? Or maybe example, if now you see the handsome guy and if he make accident, bad luck in the life, he get an accident in the relationship and he loves you lost, or she loves you lost, or she get anything problem, she get any face marks, or she'll start looking very dull, ugly, and then if he was become handicapped, then it's what you will do. So today I'm discussing about this topic, and I will explain you about this everything by one. The first thing was rich, or maybe time change come. I will start with the money situation, because mostly people see the money, mostly people see the rich and all, they fall in love and they start loving truly, and another guy also start love truly. But sometime in a bad luck of the life, because you know the life has never stay same, the life always come in difference, up and down. Life is like struggling, life is not like a one way of the life, it's all the different ways come in all the future of the life. So today I will explain you what you will do when people change in this. Now sometimes what happens, some poor people, they work hard and they become rich, and sometimes people you reject the poor people, maybe sometimes you reject the poor people for because he is poor or she is poor, she have any nothing to give you, but she or he is still loving you, and he work hard and you are the inspiration of them. You give the motive power to change their life, and one day they become the big rich guy, and when they come in front of you, you think that why I'm not accept that love. So on that time you can't do anything, because on that time maybe his the place of his in his heart, they already go away from you, because when they have been poor and they start fall in love in truly, and when you hurt them, they start taking you away from their heart. Second thing, now when you see the money and you see the rich people, okay, right, she's rich, and you fall directly easily in a love, and in a bad luck time is business down, and if anything is lost, then on that time what you do? If you are wedding, you will do divorce? No, not like that, because life always becomes change. So you want to be like a part of his or her life, to give support him and give him the love, because when he becomes struggling from the everywhere, he think that my partner will give the support, my partner will give the love, because love have the biggest power to stand on the feet for the partner properly. Second, now if you example, now you see this today, if you fall in love in a handsome guy, or if you have beautiful lady or like that, and in a bad luck if they get burnt on their face, or lots of things happen in all over the world, because starting they look very nice, and if they by accidentally they burnt in the face and everything, then what happened? People start thinking why I love them and all. That's not nice thing, because what? Because if you are loving to anyone truly, don't see the money, don't see the look, don't see anything, because why? See, body, the skin of our body will wrinkled at one day, by slowly, one day by day. But if you love his or her soul or her heart and everything, is always stays same and same feeling for you. So it will be the easiest way to sense, easiest way to keep your love properly. Because if you see the body, then if sometime now example, now you're looking very slimly, now you see the one of the beautiful lady or slim, and after 2 hours, 2 years, 3 years, she eat loss or she eat loss and he become more bigger, fatty and all. And all. So what? You don't stop to love him, because if you stop him love him, he will break his heart, his or her heart, and he will scatter his past, and his past will be then bad. Then his and her future will be go very sadly, struggling, and he will never trust anyone of the life. Then now I will tell you about what is the third way. Now example, you will think that I will love or anything like this, then what will be the use of that love? Means example, if now you love someone nice and if he get accident and he get handicapped, so what you do? Don't try to give out from his or her life. Try to give him support. Make him, if or she is incomplete, try to make you make them try to complete her body. Now it's hard, it will be struggling, because mostly people are very busy in their jobs, in business and all. But if you give small time to love, take you the biggest power to alive in their life, to enjoy their life. And don't give anyone bad past of their life, because if you give one bad past of their life, the present and future they will scared to love again and again. Because what happened, if once past go bad, people scare thousands of times to get present and future. And in that what she hurted, so lost, she or her he hurt loss, so it will be hard for to become recovery again. So this is the I want to explain you that if the life change also in the love relationship, in the middle part of a love relationship, don't change your feelings, don't change your love. Keep loving them, give them support, and keep them always happy, because love is unconditional. Love is like very like powerful to support the people. And if you try to hurt them, maybe one day you will get hurt, then you will remember that what is a real love, and keep always loving really. And thanks. So I'm coming back, and this is my 4th video, so I will uploading today, and afterwards maybe my 5th video will come soon on another topic of love. Thanks, and keep helping the poor people. Remember that helping poor people is the biggest karma of the life. So helping poor people, share my page and share my all the information to all your friends. Thank you.